My first inspiration by Jose Rizal. Why falls so rich a spray of a fragrance from the bowers of the palmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and vales do we hear sweet measures ringing that seem to be the singing of a choir of the nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind noises, unleashing their honeyed voice as they hop from bough to bough? Why should the spring that glows its crystalline murmur be tuning to the zephyr's mellow crooning as among the flowers it flows? Why seems to me more endearing, more fair than on other days, the down enchanting face among red clouds appearing? The reason, dear mother, is they feast your day of bloom, the rose with its perfume, the birds with its harmonies, and the spring that rings with laughter upon this joyful day. With its murmur seems to say, live happily ever after. And from the spring in the grove, now turn to hear the first note that from my lute I emote to the impulse of my love. Sa poem ni Jose Rizal is makikita nating ginawa niya tong poem na ito dahil kaarawan ng kanyang nanay. Talagang mahal niya ang kanyang nanay at talagang pinapahalaga niya ito dahil ginawa niya itong poem na ito upang ipakita na talagang mahal niya ang kanyang nanay. Magagamit din natin itong poem na ito upang ipakita ang ating pagmamahal sa ating nanay or sa ating magulang dahil sa kanilang sakripisyo.